Hi guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this Plouise inspired recreation makeup look, then keep watching. I'll show you how I do this full eye look and I'll show you the eye look that I am inspired by. So if you want to see that, keep watching now. So first you need to prime your eyelid. To prime my eyelid, I always use e.l.f. 16 hour concealer in fair beige, and I just put that all over the eyelid, and I also use that to carve out the underneath of my brow as well. So the look that I'm doing today is inspired by one that I've seen on Plouise Makeup Academy's Instagram. So I'm going to use the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, my favourite palette that I use like for every single look. I know, but it is the best. If you can see any pink on my face, it's stained from my last look, but just ignore that. I'm going to start off with a bit of purple around here. This is how I'm starting off like every look at the moment, so I'll zoom in so that you can see what I am doing. Just bring purple up and stop it like halfway across, blend it up and stop it around there, I'd say. Bit of pink. I always use the same brush because I want everything to blend together anyway. I spritz it with alcohol in between colours when it's like a really different colour, but when it's like pink and purple like this, I just use the same brush and it's all good because it blends in together better. Next there is a bit of yellow. This is literally how I've started every single look lately. I'm just going to bring that round. So I'm just going to bring that across there a bit. Yes, so now that that is blended together nicely, I'll show you the picture I'm trying to recreate right now. Let's just see how it goes. The next thing it looks like they've done is cut the crease. So obviously I'm going to cut the crease with Plouise base, as I am copying a Plouise video. This is just in shade 2. So they've stopped halfway across. I'd probably say like there-ish. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to bring the base down so I can complete what they've done on the lid in a second. That's the first half of it done. They then have blue and green packed on the lid. So that's what I'm going to then do. So that it starts with a really dark blue. Starts like dark. Damn, that is dark. Starts with dark blue like that. I wish my screen would stop going off. And then it moves up to like lighter blues, so I'm just gonna like blend it all up. Let's use a different brush. Then we'll go in with a really light blue. I want it to be really bright green like theirs is. I don't know how it's like that. I wonder if this, like, when this goes diagonally like that. Yes, that's what's gonna do it. That is what's gonna make that shape. I got it, I got it. So I'm just gonna put some more of the Plouise base in shade 2 on this side of my lid, where I'm about to do the other bit that's on the picture. I need to like, because it comes right down, I need to like go diagonally slightly like this. I don't know. I'm just gonna go for it. A triangle. Oh, I don't know why I just said the word triangle, because it's not. A wing, that's it, a wing. And then they kind of come down here. Oh no. It'll all work out in the end. I feel like it's one of them trust the process type of things. So I'm just gonna blend this purple out a bit. I'm gonna go in again with the orange and the yellow, like the pink and the yellow, like I did on the other side. There's gonna be glitter going up here like this, so it'll all work out in the end. So now I'm going to add that yellow like I did before, just around the edges. It kind of turns the pink into an orange, but you know, But love that this is actually like working out the way I wanted it to. Now what do they do? Okay. Now, because I'm going to do what they did, by the looks of it. Where is it? Cool. I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base in shade 0, which is the white one. And I'm going to like cut out the middle of this triangle really neatly. She says. Right, okay, I've kind of like carved that out like how they have. Now I'm going to use the same colour combo that I've been using every time. The purple and then the orange and then the yellow. And just blend it from the bottom up. Yeah. Does it stop? It can't, yeah, it kind of stops like there because then it goes up to the white and it actually is white. So yeah, that's the blend, like close up. That seems to be actually complete. I know, crazy, right? Cool. So now I need to add that glitter that they've added. So it looks like they're using chunky glitter in like blue and green, but I don't have chunky glitter in blue and green. I don't think. Do I? Oh no, I don't have green. I have blue. Oh, I have blue chunky glitter. Well, instead of green, I might just use silver. I'm going to use blue, which I don't know where it's from, and I'm going to use this gold chunky glitter from Unicorn Cosmetics, and I'm going to stick that on with the NYX glitter glue. I'm just going to go in with the NYX glitter glue first and pop that where I want the glitter to go. Like I said before, it's like a diagonal line, so I'm just going to add some actual glitter there as well. Yes, that's already starting to look more like how I imagined it on the picture. Yes, so that is most of it done. I just need to look back at the picture again and see what else, if I'm missing anything. Do you know I'm actually not? Woohoo! So I'll add eyeliner now, because you know you've got to add a bit of eyeliner. For the lashes, you know, for the lashes. The P. Louise Dare Luxury Lashes. Obviously I've got to use them in a P. Louise video, but it's no different because I use them in every video because they're my favourite lashes in the whole entire universe. I use the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Yes, and done. I'm just gonna do the other eye and the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you what I do with the underneath. So I would literally just line my waterline with a black eyeliner. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Cake pencil for this. I'm just go in the waterline really close to it, and I'm just going to smoke out my waterline with the black from the Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette. And just go underneath with that. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you like what you see. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family. Share it with bloody everyone. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.